What do these toys, olive oil, laundry detergent, and some stamps have in common? They all glow under UV light. Whoa! This is known as fluorescence. In this video, I'll test all these items from around the house in a little game called Glow or No Glow. What is wrong with the lights? In each round of Glow or No Glow, you will be shown two items. Only one of these will glow under a UV light. You will have 5 seconds to decide which one will glow before the lights change, revealing the answer. There will be 5 rounds for a maximum of 5 points. Let's go! Round 1, tonic water versus Coca-Cola. Which one of these drinks will glow under UV light? Point to your answer to lock it in. And the answer is tonic water. Tonic water contains a chemical known as quinine. This glows bright blue under UV light. Awesome! Round 2, vitamin B2 versus vitamin C. I've dissolved each tablet in a glass of water. Do you know which one will glow? And the answer is vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, glows bright yellow under UV light. How cool is that? Round 3, cinnamon versus turmeric. I'm going to drop a small amount into a glass of 50% isopropyl alcohol. Which one will glow? Whoa, the turmeric is glowing. Turmeric contains a chemical known as curcumin, which dissolves in the isopropyl alcohol and glows bright greeny yellow. Round 4, Nerf darts versus the Lego Millennium Falcon. Both are a heap of fun to play with, but which one will glow? And the answer is the Nerf darts. These glow fluorescent orange. Add a UV light to your next Nerf battle to make it look even cooler. Final round, lemon juice versus chlorophyll. The chlorophyll has been extracted from some spinach leaves using isopropyl alcohol, but will it be the one to glow? Whoa, it is! It glows bright red. Awesome! Let me know how many you got right in this game of Glow or No Glow. So what is fluorescence? To explain this, we first need to talk about visible light. That's the light we can see with our eyes. It covers everything from red light to orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet light. We can think of each color of light like a wave, similar to a wave in the ocean. Red light has the longest wavelength and violet light has the shortest wavelength. But is there light with a wavelength even longer than red? And is there light with a wavelength even shorter than violet? There is, but we just can't see it. This light is called infrared light, and this light is called ultraviolet light. One more thing you need to know is that light with a longer wavelength has less energy than light with a shorter wavelength. So what is fluorescence? Fluorescence is the ability of a substance to absorb the higher energy ultraviolet light that we can't see and almost immediately release lower energy visible light that we can see. The color that's released depends on the substance. You can try this at home by buying a UV light and seeing what else will glow. Thanks for watching this episode of Silly Science with Simon.